In the field of electronics and also in electrical circuits, we are using several components as well as measuring devices. Now we are going to learn the components which are used in the electronic field and also in the electrical circuits and their symbols. In the meantime, we are going to learn the uses of the respective components as well as measuring devices. The first electronic component is resistor. Here this resistor, that one will oppose the flow of current, and it is used to fix the magnitude of the current through a circuit. It's a fixed resistor. It is having fixed value of resistance. It is used to fix the magnitude of the current through a circuit. Its symbol is given nearby. Now we are going to learn the second component, that is device used in the lab, that is called rheostat. These rheostats are widely used in physics lab. That is also called as variable resistor. By adjusting the rider, we are able to change the value of the current. Resistance can also be varied. By changing the resistance, current can also be varied in the circuit. It is used to select the magnitude of the current through a circuit. The rheostat symbol and variable resistance symbol both are given here. The next device is ammeter. Ammeters, they are widely used in physics lab. Not only in physics lab, wherever if you want to measure the current, ammeter should be used. In ammeter you can see the letter A in the middle of the device. A stands for ammeter. This ammeter, it is used to measure the current. The symbol of ammeter is given in the nearby picture. The letter A, around that there will be a circle. That ammeter, it has got two polarities, positive and negative end. So that is a symbol of the ammeter. Another important device is voltmeter. This is widely used in physics lab while performing the electricity experiments. Look at the voltmeter. In the middle of the voltmeter you could see the letter V. That V for voltmeter. It has got two ends, positive end and negative end. This device voltmeter is used to measure the potential difference across any 2 points of a circuit. Across any 2 points you are able to measure the potential difference. The symbol of the voltmeter is V. That letter V, around which you can see a circle. It has got two ends, positive end and negative end. That is a symbol of voltmeter. Galvanometer is another important device used in physics lab. It is used to detect the flow of current, and in the meantime the device can be used to find out the direction of the current. It is used for both the two purposes. It is used to detect the flow of current, and the direction of current can also be found out by using this device. That letter G, that is for galvanometer. Look at the device. In the middle of the device you can see the letter G. That G stands for galvanometer. In galvanometer, the pointer will be always in the middle. That one will be coinciding with the 0th division. That one is coinciding with the 0th division. That 0th division is present in the middle of the galvanometer. The symbol for galvanometer is G. Around the letter G you can see a circle. On either side you can see two lines. That shows the end of the galvanometer. Another important device is diode. The diode is one of the semiconductor device used in the electronic devices, in radios, TV, in all electrical and electronic systems, devices. This diode is used as one of the component. That's why it is mentioned that it is used in electronic devices. It has got two ends. One is anode and another one is cathode. That anode end, that is represented by a triangular symbol, and cathode end is shown by a straight line. So nearby the symbol of the diode is mentioned. Since it has got two ends, positive and negative end, that's why this is called as diode. Di means two. It has got two ends. It's a semiconductor device and it is used in all electronic devices. Light emitting diodes. Shortly it is called as LED. They are all special kind of diodes. These diodes, they are capable of emitting light. Some of the LEDs, they will be emitting green color, some of them they will be emitting blue color, some of them they are capable of emitting red color. So different diodes, they are capable of emitting different colored lights. The another form of LED is 7-segment display. Look at the diagram. There you can see the letter 8. It is not 8. Each segment to be taken as a diode. How many segments are there? 7 segments are there. By giving appropriate voltages, each segment can be made to glow. According to the connection, according to the current supply, the LED, that 7-segment display, that one will show the appropriate number or letter. The symbol of LED is shown nearby. Already you are familiar with the diode symbol. Nearby 2 arrowheads are drawn. That arrowhead that shows that the diode is emitting the light in the outward direction. Ground connection. In the case of household electricity, household electrical connection, the grounding or earthing is very important. We are using plenty of electrical appliances like refrigerator, grinder, mixie, geysers. Here these bodies, they are all made up of metals. If the connections are not properly given, the current may be flowing through the metallic body of the devices. If you happen to touch such kind of devices, definitely you will be electrocuted. That is, you may be affected by electric shocks. Therefore, the body of the electrical appliances, they have to be separately connected with the ground. This kind of connection is called grounding or earthing. These kind of connections, they are given even in the electronic and electrical circuits. Grounding connection, ground connection, that one is very important in household electricity. This kind of precautions must be taken. Without ground connection, no household electricity connection should be given. Ground connection is must one. Electricians, they know very well how to give the ground connection. Are you clear? It is used to provide protection to the electrical components. It also serves as a reference point to measure the electric potential. Okay. The symbol of grounding is given nearby.